Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change the brightness on a variety of Windows 10 devices, starting with a laptop with dedicated brightness buttons, a little GPD Win without any brightness buttons, and lastly a desktop with an Nvidia graphics card where the standard way doesn't work. So hopefully if you follow one of these in the video it's going to help you out. So let's get started. So on the big laptop it's really easy because we've got dedicated keys. As you can see there, we've got a picture of a sun, and they're the keys we need to do. So all we have to do is hit the FN key, which is the function key, and one of those buttons, and as you will see the brightness will increase. So FN, and then if I do F7 the brightness will increase, and if I do F6 the brightness will go down. Now moving on to the GPD Win. So on the GPD Win here, we haven't actually got any dedicated buttons to do it, but all we have to do is go down to the Windows Home button in the bottom left hand corner, and we're going to go to the second icon up, which is Settings. If you have a look at it there, it looks like a gear, and click that. And now we're going to go to System, and left click, and then you see we have a bar here to change the brightness. So as you can see, I'm adjusting the brightness now. So that's really nice and straightforward as well. Now lastly, let me show you the desktop PC. Now on this monitor, on this desktop PC, I can physically use the buttons on the actual monitor to change the brightness, but I can't do it via Windows 10 because if I go here and go to Settings and then System, you will see it doesn't give me the option to do the slider bar, but we can do it via this option here. So go onto the home screen and go onto an empty part of the home screen with no icons and right click, not left click but right click, and then we need to go to Nvidia Control Panel and left click. And then when this comes up here on the left hand side, we want to go to where it says Adjust Desktop Color Settings. So I'm going to click on that, and then you see I've got an option here, choose how color is set, and I've got to change it to use Nvidia settings. So just check that little button there, and now it gives me the option to change the brightness. You can see when I move it up and down. So if I wanted it quite dark, for example, like 25%, you can also do the contrast here as well if you want. Then all you've got to do is click on Apply, and there we go. Now we can close out of that, and that is our new brightness setting there, and then when we restart the computer it will keep those settings. So I hope this video has helped you out. Please give it a thumbs up if it did, and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care, bye now.